Guys, today's video, oh my god, watch to the end. It has picks and tricks. Let's go. So, hobbies that make money. Hobbies that will help you make money. I will say tutoring. You understand? Do you have a favorite language? Eh? A favorite subject that you're good at? Are you good at math? You can offer to teach people, you get, and they pay you a certain fee. And you can either do it at the comfort of your own home, on your laptop, or you can meet them one-on-one. Like, are you good at a certain language? Let me say English. Trust me, so many people need help with English because it's not our first language, most of us. So yeah, you can offer to teach. Yeah, you tutor. And then you make money. Use your hobby, your love, your passion for something to make money. Okay? Oh my God, Dubai is hot. So you guys, another thing that you can do as a hobby and make money is, let me say, doing hair. This is for both ladies and men. Like if you're a gentleman and you know how to give a good haircut, nice shaped haircut, then yeah, you can do that. And as for ladies, if you can like plait hair, I don't know, relax, straighten, whatever. So yeah, so many people, you can use that as like a way of making money while doing something that you love. Okay? So doing hair. What else did I want to say? Stay tuned. Something you love doing and it's making you money at the same time. You can tell me nothing. That's like a dream come true. It's like you're working, but you don't feel like you're working because you love what you're doing. You have passion for what you're doing. And this is how you succeed, by loving what you do. You get motivated. Yeah, when you're doing it, you're happy. So let's use our hobbies to make money. Stop sleeping, wake up. What are you good at? Use it to make money. Okay, now hit the subscribe button. Subscribe. Ha, you guys, another one. Graphic design. uh if you love graphic designing, you can offer to make flyers for people, for companies, you know, or business cards. You can offer to design people's websites. Listen, or make logos, design logos. Yeah, you can do graphic design, and this too, you can even do it from home, online. Trust me, so many businesses need websites. I think every business needs a website, so there is market for graphic design. And most businesses, like the field I'm in, which is events, we need flyers for promotion, advertising our events. So yeah, you can offer to design a flyer and they pay you a certain fee. So guys, another thing is baking, like baking cakes, because honestly speaking, it's always someone's birthday and there's always a reason to celebrate, and most people like to use cake for their celebration, or eat cake for their celebration. God knows I do. So yeah, baking. Okay, birthday cakes. Another one will be singing at events. Use your voice to make money. Can you sing? Or do you think you can sing? Do people love to hear you sing? Do you have the passion? Use it to make money. Sing at parties. There's parties everywhere, every weekend, every day. Weddings, birthdays. Sing happy birthday to you. Forget it. Okay, that's not a hobby of mine. But I think I can try. Guys, if you have a voice, use it to make money. And then another thing, another hobby is well, if you love kids, Do you guys love kids? If you love kids, you can do babysitting. Trust me, parents want a day off. Yeah, so many parents that have kids, some days, weekends, or I don't know any day, because I cannot relate yet. But I see some of my friends that have kids, some days they just want to rest, they just want a day off. Like, I love my baby, but I would use a few hours away from my baby. So yeah, you can offer to babysit and they pay you a certain fee. After all, you love kids, you vibe with kids, you're good with kids. Offer to babysit. That can be a hobby that will make you money. As simple as abacha, ABC. Guys, another one will be makeup artist. If you love applying makeup or playing around with makeup, you can turn it into, you can make money out of it. Like, you can start by doing it for your friends, then your friends will recommend other people like that. You market yourself and advertise yourself online or like social media, ask your friends to share. So yes, makeup artist. If you're good at doing your own makeup, you can do it for others too. If it's your passion, I know people who love everything to do with makeup. So how about you use your hobby and passion, turn it into money? Another hobby that I know everybody, almost, but I think everybody has, is shopping. This goes for all of us, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, so if you have passion for shopping, you can be like a personal shopper for somebody. Use your passion for fashion to make money. You dig? Hey? Like, for example, if someone is overseas or you're in different countries but they want something in the country that you're in, you can offer to shop for them. Like, they send you a list, I need this, I need that. You offer to shop for them and send it to them, freight it, DHL it, whatever. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Or you can offer to be someone's stylist. So personal shopper.